Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. So I am back with a new recipe and it's a chicken masala recipe, a North Indian style. So this particular recipe is a very simple and easy recipe and something that you can enjoy without much hard work. So let's get started and find out the ingredients that we need to prepare this chicken curry. So here I have 400 grams of chicken, 2 tomatoes chopped, 1 large onion chopped, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder. We are going to use some turmeric and salt. Here I have whole cumin and coriander which is going to be roasted, some garlic and ginger chopped, some whole spices like bay leaves, black cardamom, green cardamom, cinnamon and cloves. And some coriander leaves for garnishing. Firstly, I am going to dry roast the cumin and coriander seed and crush and keep it aside. These freshly crushed spices can really elevate the taste of any curries. Into the same kadai, let's add some oil and wait for it to heat. Then add the whole spices. Now let's add the chicken into this flavored oil. Please do be careful because there are chances of oil splashing. Well, in that case, just close the lid for few seconds. So here what I did was I just squeezed out the water out of the chicken before adding into the oil. So keep frying it until it comes to a nice golden brown color. Now remove the chicken with the help of a strainer and place everything on a plate. So into the same oil, add the chopped onions and fry until it turns into a golden brown color. Now let's add the chopped garlic and ginger. Let's fry it for few seconds at medium heat. Now add the chopped tomato, stir and cook it until it is soft. Once everything is cooked well, remove it all from the heat and let it cool and then grind it into a paste. Into the same kadai, add some oil and add the grinded masala paste. Cook it until the paste becomes thick and the oil starts oozing out. Season it with the crushed cumin and coriander powder, red chili powder, some black pepper powder, turmeric and salt and mix it well. Cook it on high heat for 5 seconds and then medium heat for 5 minutes. Once you see the oil oozing out of the masala, add some water and mix it until it comes to a nice thick paste. Close the lid and cook it for more 5 minutes on medium heat. Now let's add the fried chicken into this gravy. Mix it well and close the lid and cook for more 5 minutes. Once you open, you will see the oil has oozed out really well. Now add 1 cup of water and let it cook for more 10 minutes. Here we have our chicken curry ready. Garnish it with chopped coriander and enjoy it with some piping hot rice or chapatis. Do try and let me know in comment box how did you find this recipe. Until then, bye bye, take care, stay safe and have lots of good food, and I will be back with many more recipes. Bye bye.